what up? What up, YouTube? It's your boy YBF Fizz, and we back with another chill video, man.
Yes, Lord.
How y'all day going today? I hope y'all having a blessed one. I hope y'all accomplishing y'all goals and making y'all dreams come true. So, man, in today's video, bro, we is working on the maximum, man. Y'all see she dirty, but yeah, we working on the maximum, bro. We working on the maximum. Y'all see she tin it up. Yeah, sir. Tin it up. But yeah, bro, so we got a fix on it, you know what I'm saying? So, as I was getting off work yesterday, man, I noticed that one of my headlights was out, bro. And, you know, we can't ride with one headlight, you feel me? We can't ride with one headlight. And we tinted up, too. We can't ride like that. We gon' what? We can't do it. So, y'all already know. So, man, I went to O'Reilly's, bro, today. And then I should have picked y'all up when I went, but I forgot. I just wasn't thinking. So, I went to O'Reilly's, bro. And I asked the dude about, like, the headlights or whatever. About the LEDs. Man, that man said them joints was $100.
Let that marinate. Huh? Let it marinate.
$100? Boy, I just need one headlight. I'm not finna pay no $100. Hold on, bro. We got a train. Hold on. Like I was saying, y'all, I'm not finna pay no $100 for no headlight, and I only need one. You feel me? And he was like, man, they only come in twos or like the set or whatever. I was like, nah, we can't do that. Like $100 for... What?
Let it marinate. You think about it. I see you thinking.
Sir. And that mug already got one, so it's gonna be like one, bro, and one regular. We just gotta save up for that other LED. Like, I ain't gonna cap. That's crazy. So yeah, man. So we got the regular headlight, bro, and we got it right here. You feel me? We got the little regular headlight. Little basic. But look, bro, so we gotta put it in here, you know.
Ho, brother. Whoa. Now.
Damn, pause. So y'all see what I'm talking about. We gotta pull this out right here and put it right there. Put this headlight in. And so yeah, we finna get to work. Hey y'all, I gotta prop y'all up. So don't talk about my hair done, cause I gotta take off my hat. You feel me? I ain't gonna cap Miss Colin. I know my hair look a mess. So don't talk about it. Put it. And how that's that down. There you go. Alright. We gotta get to work. Let's see if we can do this though. So they say you're supposed to pull it out like right here. I think. Just like so. Right here. I think it's like right there though. Cause it's the yeah, so it's this one. Now how do you pull it out? You can turn it though. And I feel like I don't want to break it. Hold on, y'all. They did say that mode was gonna be tricky. Yeah. Hold on, right here. Hold on. They don't want to come off, bruh. What the crap? I might have to cut on that YouTube video again. Yeah, it's moving. It don't want to come on. Hold on, y'all. Let me see something. Let me try popping the hood real quick. Let's see something. Really, I gotta find a stick, bro, so I can just move up. Yeah, that mug right here. There's another way to get it. Get out. Hold on. Let me get a stick. Grab me a stick real fast so I can hold the hood open. But yeah, so I'm trying to find. I see the way where to take it out. It's just that mug is not trying to come out, you feel me? Oh, y'all make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, bruh. Y'all already know we going up. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Subscribe. Feel me? Do that. But look, let's get back to work though. So, hold on. It's right here. So it just blocked. I wanted to see if I could use something to like pull it out, but that mug is not coming out, bro. Yeah. And I don't want to break it. And then, it ain't nothing around it. Hold it.
It had to be his right, bro. That's crazy. It don't even want to come out. And I don't even help it. My thing is. Oh.
Let me see. I might have to use. Let me see something. I might have to use something to prop that bitch up. I had to use something to crack that joint open. Hold on.
That's tough, boy. It just feel like this is gonna break off this plastic. I don't know.
Woo, boy. We finally got that joint out, bro. Y'all see where it's at. Alright, man. So this the light right there. Y'all see it, the little light right here. You feel me? So now we finna get ready to take that mug out. Boy, that mug was a hassle to get that mug out, bro. She don't make no sense. Like, bro, that mug got my hand super red. Like, you know, it's alright though. We finna get to work. Uh-oh. I'm telling y'all, boy, them YouTube videos really be coming in handy when you trying to, you feel me, work on your car and shit. What kind of work? So then next, I think you have to pull out it's like two clamps. I think he said that you have to pull out. And oh, right here.
It's like right here. I don't move no more. I don't know if it's, oh. Is it another, I want another piece connected. Oh. Is another piece connected? It's this light right here.
Y'all, this the light. This is the little light. Put that mug out. Now, this one. Now this one is the new one that we gotta put in. I don't even know if this mug gonna work. This don't fit.
Oh, damn!
Hold on, y'all. I think he gave me the wrong light. Oh, damn! Alright, y'all. So y'all won't believe, bro. Oh my God! Bro, this man gave me the wrong headlight, bro. We done did all this freaking work.
Think about that. Let that marinate. Huh?
All this work. And now we gotta go get the right one. So, like, let me show y'all. So this mine. This, hold on, y'all probably can't see this. There you go. So this the new one, bro.
Mm-hmm.
That's that piece. And then this my piece. He was like, any H11 will work. So I looked, and then now y'all see the piece is looking like that. I'm on my hair. But, so now we finna, now we gotta slide back down to O'Reilly's. So we gonna vlog this. I'm gonna slide back down there, you feel me? We gonna get right, and then hopefully we can get this headlight in here, you feel me? Cause boy, oh my goodness. I'm gonna pick y'all back up once we get down there. Gang. Bro, why do I be forgetting to pick up the camera, y'all? So I got there, bro. Y'all won't believe how much that one, bro, where that bulb at? Hold on. Bro, y'all won't believe how much this one bulb costs, bro. Take a guess. No, it's not in the 50s. No, it ain't 20. Boy, that mug is $104.
Let that marinate. Huh? Let it marinate.
Woo! God, no, boy, that mug $104 for one headlight, bro. Oh my God, that bitch is $104, bro.
Let it marinate. You think about it. I see you thinking.
No sense, bro. $104 for one headlight, bro. But it's cool, though. It's cool, though. So, man, so we gotta slide back to the crib. We gotta go get some money, man. We broke. We gotta go get some money and we broke. How is this gonna work? So, yeah, bro. So, it's all good, though. But we finna slide to the crib, bro. So, it's alright, though. It's alright. At least we got a car to drive. So, we need the headlight. It all come with, it's all part of the game, man. It's maintenance. That's just what it is. So, you know, we just gotta do what we gotta do. So, we gonna slide to the crib. We gonna get some money. I'm gonna make sure I pick y'all up, bro, when I get back to O'Reilly's, when I get to the crib. One of the two. I'm gonna make sure I pick y'all up, because, you know, we working on the car. Chill vlogs, y'all already know. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, bro. Y'all already know we going up. So, subscribe to the channel, man. And make sure you like the button. Make sure you hit that like button. And make sure you comment on the video. Let me know what else y'all want to see next. And let me know if y'all like that fishing vlog, bro. Cause I'm thinking about doing like a Q&A while fishing. You know what I'm saying? Answer some questions, like anything that y'all want to ask. If you do like a little Q&A just to get to know everybody. Y'all get to know me really. And so y'all let me know what y'all think about that, man. You know what I'm saying? Comment on the video. What else y'all like to see? And you already know there's gonna be more coming to the channel. You feel me? We on the road to 500, then we're gonna be on the road to 1K, then we're gonna be on the road to, boy, billions and millions. So y'all already know we're gonna do that. So we're gonna keep grinding, bro. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up once we get down to the crib, you feel me? And get some more money. We gotta slide back there too. Damn, all this for one head, bro. It's crazy. All this for one headlight. So we're gonna make sure we do that. And hey, chill vlog's gonna keep coming, you feel me? So alright, y'all. So we made it back to the crib, man. Bro, that mug cost $104, bro. This headlight cost $104. Oh my God. But hey, we had to do what we had to do. I'm prop y'all up real fast. But I got my keys. But so yeah, bro. Now we finna finally get ready to replace the headlight, bro. We went through all of that. And now we finally finna do it, bro. Like, golly. I need a flashlight. Hold on, y'all. Let me go get this flashlight real quick. I have to get a flashlight. Well, I land. So, hold on. I probably need to. Hold on. Let's stop. Alright, guys. We're gonna get to work. Finally putting this headlight on in, what you say, bro. Yeah. Alright. So this is right here. We gotta put these mugs in here. Y'all see the light. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, bro. Subscribe to the channel. Ooh. Yes, sir. In there. It's in there. Hey, who knew it was gonna be like this? Bring it to me, y'all. No, I can't think. I can't touch it. I probably go like this. Alright, so it went like this. Okay. We gotta keep it like that. There we go. Oh yeah, I gotta make it in. I know I'm quiet, y'all. I'm over here really focused, really trying to put this mug in here, bro. And I got it in there. It's just the part where we can. Hold on, y'all. I gotta use it. Let me use y'all really fast. Alright, y'all. After hassling around with this mug, bro, we finally got that mug in there. As y'all can see, bro. Like, y'all see it right here. Alright, let's see if this works. So if this side, my keys, I'm gonna leave the keys. Boy, I'm over here struggling to put this mug in, bro. I had to use a flashlight on my phone and some motion. Boy, she was crazy. It was hectic. Let's start this mug up. Hold on. Let's see this bad boy. Like, let's see, man. Let's see if we really like that, bro. Let's see if we really a mechanic. Ooh, yes, sir. Yeah. You like that, bro? Yes, sir. Got that bug, please, bro. Y'all see the light? Golly, man. I'm over here, bro. I swear to God, bro. I was over here struggling to put this mug in, bro. I'm not lying. Like, that mug, man, it's cool, though. Right? But we got that mug in there. Yes, sir. And we tint it up.
Yes, Lord.
Sir, don't mind the mirror. We're gonna get, don't mind that part. Don't mind that. But we tint it up. Y'all see screen. So now we can't get, yes, sir. You know, we're gonna keep it. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Finally did that. So, bro. Oh, my God. $104, bro, for this one bulb. This one bulb. $104, man. That don't make no sense. So yeah, man, y'all already know, man. I had to pick y'all up. You know how it was that. So y'all make sure y'all like the video, bro. Subscribe to the channel. Hold on, close the door. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, bro. Y'all already know we going up, man. We gonna keep commenting letters on the road to 1K. So y'all help me out. Do that. Comment on the video. Let me know what else y'all want to see. I might bring y'all like I'm thinking about a Q&A. That's what I'm thinking about. So y'all make sure y'all drop us some questions. Y'all go send it to me on my Instagram or whatever y'all want. It don't matter. So we finna do that. We finna put this. We finna clean this mess up. You feel me? Got that more right. But I'm probably finna go get me some food. I'm hungry now. I don't even know what I want to eat for real. But we'll figure that out though. But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all do that, bro. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Y'all know we going up. Peace.